Hey guys, good morning. It's pretty chilly out here today, but I'm working on this 2020 Outback, and I'm going to show you guys how to remove the. Actually, we're going to replace this knee airbag blown back here. We're also going to do the seat belts and the back seat belts, so we'll break the videos up in sections so you can take a look at it. This is how to remove and replace and reinstall the knee airbag once it's blown. Once it blows, it's gonna have a cover over here. Get back here and pull it with a pick of some kind to get behind it, like that. There'll be one screw right here. Need to remove that screw. And then just pull on the bottom. This thing should just, see how easy it just slides out, because the impact is probably just, there's also one screw over here on this end. I don't know if I can show you with the airbag being blown, but let me get it out and then I'll show you guys where it's at. And then you have a few things to unplug. Well, this is probably a base model one, so you only have one thing to unplug, which is this right here. Push on that tab and pull, it'll come out. Sometimes you'll have more options, so have more plugs. So, that other screw I was telling you guys is right here. Okay, move that out of the way. You have, there's a 10 right here, there's a 10 over there. Go ahead and remove those 10s. I'll show you guys. There's one 10 here. There's one over here. And then this thing just slide forward. And then you have plugs. Gotta be careful of these plugs too. Right here you have the airbag sensor, which is right here. The airbag connection. Get a pick in here and just pull this yellow thing up, and then from underneath it, it'll pop up like that. And then this is your OBD2 connector. This will read the codes and stuff. There's 2 clips on each side. Well, one on each side. One right here. And that will take that out. I don't know what this is. It looks like an aftermarket item. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. I think that belongs to that. Come on, there it goes. That's how you remove the blown airbag. I've got a new one from the dealer we purchased. I want to say it's gonna be in this box. We buy all our products from Shingle Spring Subaru. There it is. Nice, smooth, brand new. Make sure you plug that in first. We'll go back in. I'd say first thing first, it's probably easier to plug this in while you got it out. It only goes one way. This yellow thing has to be up. This thing. There it goes. This thing slides right in, like we did before. Like that. And there's 10 little stubs. There's one here, one on the other side. Make sure you get them both on. 1, 2, what? See this thing down here? That. Make sure that's out of the way, because what I see. Lift that up out of the way, because that connects into these little squares up here. Put my 10 back in. Okay, guys. And then don't over tighten it or you will break it. If you break that bolt, you will not be very happy. You will not be a happy human being. There it goes. Got it on my hand, so now I can. Perfect. Then you can go ahead and screw this guy. See how it clips into this? Just like that. Boom, boom, it's in. I don't know what this is. It came with the car, I guess. I don't have a remote. The car's starting. I'm not gonna mess with it, but I gotta put it back to the ground at least. Screw to the whoa, almost ate my finger. Okay, the ground is back to where it was. That's your cover. Okay, the important thing about this guy, you gotta make sure that all these guys all go in together. See, this guy is forced in wrong. It's probably missing a couple of these white pieces too, for here and here, but I don't have any. Wonder if it's on the airbag, or the old one. It is not. So I won't hurt it. So go ahead and plug this back in. These guys gotta slide into there. Same thing down here. We'll start from one side. Voila. One side down. Might be a little deformed, but it'll come back together. Just like that. And you got this piece, which I guess clicks down here. Maybe one screw here. Okay. You have this. there. I don't know what happened to this cover. I gotta find it. And there's one screw right here. I was telling you earlier about this screw. It's over here. And that goes to the airbag. Perfect. And that's how you put the knee airbag in. Everything seems went fine without fighting it. None of it should fight you. Putting this thing on is probably the hardest thing. The clips might want to just break and are a little brittle, but it'll be alright. That's how you remove and replace a blown airbag, the knee airbag on the 2020 Outback. 2020, 2021, same exact thing. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to replace a seatbelt one. So we'll make another video on that. Subscribe to our channel, like us, give us a comment. If it's rude, even better. I'm kidding. Whatever you got. If you have any questions, just hit us up. Have a great day.